Hello everyone, welcome to Visit Malta channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the date which has to be matched with your overseas travel medical insurance and confirmed travel itinerary, ticket date and application form C5 indented date of arrival and departure. In many video, I was explained that date has to be very important when you update in your application form and the date of your travel ticket and the date of the medical insurance. Okay. In this video, I'm going to talk about in very detail why the date has to be matched exactly, and if it is not matching, you may request it by VFS Global Service through. You may request it by Embassy Malta through a VFS Global to submit a revised medical insurance or revised travel itinerary ticket and revised form. Okay, which will unnecessarily taking some time or sometimes they even may reject the visa also. Okay, so let me explain why this date is very important. Okay, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and then only my effort will reach out to you. Now, for example, we are in a March month, and I'm just added a month as March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, assume that you are actually submitted the application 3 to 4 weeks back, and you may expect the visa and March second week. Okay, by assuming you are taking the insurance of overseas medical insurance is 15th of March and 16th of June, which is 91 days as requested in the VFS checklist. Okay, assuming that you are taking 15th March to 16th June, 91 days insurance. But you also, if you this is an example. Okay, if you book the ticket from 1st of March to 25th of June, which is return ticket also in some cases. Okay, return ticket 25th of June. If you notice, you are exceeding the insurance date 1st of March. Okay, you are booked the medical insurance starting from 15th March, but you book the itinerary ticket starting from 1st of March, which is before the 15th of March. Okay, this is second thing. Okay, which is wrong. Okay, and in your application, uh, everything is an example. Okay, in your application, you are saying indented date of starting date is 1st of April and 15th of August. When I say indented date, let me show you. Okay, in this Schengen visa application, if you go exactly in 29. Here it says indented date of arrival in the Schengen area and indented date of departure from the Schengen area. So this date is very important when you update, okay, because it depends your travel insurance date and the flight itinerary date. Okay. Now let's go back to the okay. So if you update the date in the form which is 1st of April and 15th of August, okay, which is exceeding the insurance date. Again, you are ending the insurance date is 16th June, but you are saying the return date of 15th August, which is exceeding. So this is completely a wrong example. Okay, so you should not have a different date which is exceeding your travel insurance date, because everything will be covered by your travel insurance date. Okay, so that is very important. That is what in many videos I keep saying, that your travel insurance date has to be matched with your travel itinerary tickets and the intended date of arrival and departure date. Let me show you the right example so that you will be get a clear idea on how you can avoid and tackle these issues. Okay. Now, by assuming you are submitting the application in March and leave 3 to 4 weeks for visa to get processed, and approximately assuming you may travel in the April month. Okay, so just an example. Okay, April month. So when you take a insurance, just take a insurance not only for 91 days, just add 14 days extra or even a month. If you have money, little extra money, you can add a month, or you can add a 2 months also. That doesn't matter. Okay. So add 14 days minimum. Okay. And have insurance days more than 91 days, which means 1st of April to 15th of July. So have a large number of days medical insurance covered. Okay, and when you book the travel itinerary ticket, make sure you didn't exceed the 91 days. That is very important. 91 days are exactly 90 days. make sure it should be less than 90 days. Even if you have a insurance more than 91 days, please have your travel itinerary date is less than 91 days. In this case, I just booked the travel insurance 1st of April to 15th of July, which is 91 days plus 14 days, almost 105 days. And when you book the travel itinerary date, you should book between this insurance date, which means 10th of April, which is after 1st of April, and 5th of July, 10 days before, which is less than 90 days. Okay. In this case, if you notice the dotted line, your travel itinerary is covered with your insurance date, which means during your travel, your medical expenses will be covered your overseas international medical insurance. That is the overall goal and idea from the visa officer view to check if you are covered with your medical insurance during your travel date. That is the reason I keep telling you the date has to be matched and it should be including your medical insurance between your medical insurance date. Okay, so once you decided the itinerary ticket date, okay, you have to mention the exact same date in your application form, which I showed you a few minutes back, minute back, the indented date that you're arriving in the Schengen country, which is 10th of April or 11th of April. That's fine completely, and return date will be 5th of July or 4th of July. So you have to be make sure it is less than 90 days. So if you notice this dotted line, all your travel has been covered within your medical insurance date, also within the 91 days stipulated time that has been mentioned by the required by the Malta embassy. Okay, the reason I asked you to take extra 14 days is because sometime if your application is taken more than the targeted date, the visa officer might provide you the visa by starting from 15th of April and ending with 10th of July based on your insurance date. So they will accommodate your adjust the date based on your insurance date. Sometime they will do like that also if your insurance date is more than 91 days. Okay, so that is very important. Again, they will give you 3 months visa only in your passport, which allows you to travel to Malta and apply for your residence card. Okay, so this is the working permit, one of the working permit, very important information that you have to make sure. Okay, and then in my next video, I might explain about the current quarantine rules in Malta and how you can search the accommodation and the rental procedures here in Malta. Okay, you cannot just like go and get the rental property and pay for the rent. There are procedures that you have to follow when you take a rental apartment or a rental individual home. You may have to sign a contract, and you need the documentations also for to submit back to the Identity Malta to get your residence card. Okay, so in my upcoming video, I'm going to explain these two things. So please subscribe my channel to stay alert for this video. All right. If you have any clarification, you can always reach me out at visittomalta@gmail.com, and you can also reach me out through WhatsApp link I have provided in my website visittomalta.com. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comment, you can leave the comment in this video or you can reach me out directly. Thank you and good luck.